Hi friends, we are Timo and Sandra, aka Monazi, and we spent the last 2 years traveling through Europe full-time in our self-converted van Parker.
We lived the most amazing adventures and had the best time living on the road. Made awesome friends and saw the most beautiful places. But now we're ready for something new.
So we decided to go back home, pack our bags and get ready for a new adventure.
With way too many bags, we flew 16,000 kilometers away from home and made it all the way to Melbourne, Australia.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Monazi and this week we are moving.
We're moving to this place where we're currently sitting and we're taking you through the process of actually getting from the place where we were staying the first weeks to our apartment in Melbourne. So without further ado, let's get into one day before moving. Don't judge me, but priorities are priorities for me, and within the mess there are a few things that I needed to get for the new home. I'm talking about plants. This is the new collection that is coming with us. Of course, including a new Monstera. I wish we could take this huge one they have in here, but it's not the case. That little guy is ours. This guy here. And this is the mess at the moment, including you, this guy. This is the mess. We have stuff everywhere.
And actually we've been living like that almost 3 weeks now with stuff around accumulating for the house. Feels nice to finally have a space where we can breathe, hopefully tomorrow.
Yeah, sorry about the washing, but it's part of the deal. And I think this boy knows what's happening and he's not happy about it. And I've decided to start packing. I brought my suitcase to the bedroom and I'm pretty much done with what I could find around me. I actually have to empty the closet in here. But yeah, hopefully we can get the main stuff packed today because tomorrow we have to get to the house, which is not too far, but also not very convenient because we have so many things.
I'm on a coffee break, so chocky this.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. It's okay, it's okay. It's too late.
Good morning, Disco. Last morning with you. Are you sad?
A little.
Good morning. This is our last morning in the house with Disco. You want to say goodbye to the vlog? Any last words or something? He's not a man of big words, so we're gonna take him for a last spin, for a last W. We can't say the word because then he gets very excited. And we're going to drive the first load to the house, and actually we also have to pick up the keys. So, eventful day today. Disco, would you like to go? Monito, finish it off.
Would you like to go for walkies? 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 Yeah.
Yes!
Oh, yeah.
Last walkies.
Stretch. Caballito. Exactamente. Yes.
Good boy.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Bless you.
Bless you, mate.
And of course, one last coffee in Traveler Coffee.
Walk up the river by my son.
Bye guys. Ready? Patiently waiting. Overexposed on his hair.
Golden, I follow the golden, golden, golden.
And by the way, most of the stuff we got for the house is actually second-hand. We got also some items new, but actually we are planning to do a separate video on that because you've been asking us to show a little more the process. So we are going to share what kind of furniture we got, how much we spent and stuff. If that is interesting for you, let us know in the comment section below. If not, maybe we can even skip the video, who knows. But this is something we've planned, and now we're gonna have a small little walk with Disco, and we actually have to get a PDF printed because our building is a bit fuzzy with people coming in and out, so we have to have like a permission kind of thing. And the people who deliver a fridge today, we bought a fridge new, they need also an insurance and all that stuff, so a bit complicated, but it's all sorted out. After the walk it is go, go, go! Disco, what's going on?
You did this. You did this. Now what?
You got very scared, of course.
You did this. Now what? Now what happened?
Disco's taking his leaves for a walk.
I think now he's like, okay.
Whatever. So I was just saying to Sandra, and Sandra said, actually you should say that to the camera, so here I am. Thank you. It feels like a very exciting, uplifting day today, as if our journey really starts, because the first 6 weeks were super nice. We arrived here, we didn't have to worry about much, and now it's the part where we really have to get our stuff together and see how we like Australia, living here.
We were a bit in limbo before, not working, just enjoying Disco Boy.
Yeah.
But now the reality starts.
So let's get the move started and start the new chapter here in Australia in Melbourne.
Woohoo! Let's do it.
So just for you to understand why I'm suddenly in an Uber, we got a call at 10 a.m. that the fridge is downstairs in our new apartment and ready to be delivered, but we were still in our old apartment in the city. We didn't know because the fridge was supposed to come at 1 p.m. So we had to get there ASAP. Sandra jumped on an Uber to get to the new apartment, and I actually had to get the keys for the new apartment because we didn't even have the keys yet. It was a mess. But let's see what happened afterwards. Yeah, Walkies!
Amazing!
What a stressful moment.
It's actually not heavy at all.
No, that's good.
Oh, okay. The left.
First time enter? Okay.
Woo!
Oh, that looks empty.
Nice. Can we book this one?
Not sure.
Amazing.
Here we are.
Alright. Fun time.
What a beauty. Alright, I'm taking Disco for a little spin because we had to vacuum and it's always Disco against machine. He's always very angry with anything that makes noise. And yeah, then we probably gonna do one last big trip, the third one for today. And we actually wanted to film a bit more, but it was very stressful at the end to go back and forth, especially with the start of the fridge that we had with the fridge delivery that came surprisingly, or happened surprisingly at 10 and not at 1 as we scheduled it. Anyway, little walk with Disco and then last trip. Also, you might wonder, how do we sleep this night? We're actually gonna get a delivery from Sandra's friend Elisha and Matt. They also picked us up from the airport and they're gonna deliver a mattress that they don't need anymore to us, which is good. Then we don't have to sleep on the floor, and then we should be pretty much done. We might come back for one last time to see the owners of Disco and hand them over the apartment keys and say goodbye to Disco. But maybe we postpone it also to tomorrow because there was so much going on today and I think we would appreciate a bit of rest, but we'll see how we feel later. Sometimes when you go over a certain threshold you just feel energized the whole day and you can't stop. I guess this will be probably us. But anyway, we take it as it comes. And Disco found something interesting to smell. That's good. And we just got the mattress delivery. It's just here. And we have to run over to the other place where we were with Disco to hand over the keys to the owners and greet them. Welcome back. So it's go, go, go today.
That's the most exciting.
Yeah, for sure, 100%. And as you saw, Disco was very happy to see his owners again. And we made it now back. The plants are already in a row, nicely placed. We're not gonna have a TV, so the plants are gonna be there. So yeah, we're just gonna unpack a little more, still some bags to go through, but now everything is here. I hope we could capture a little the process. It was stressful at times and we tried to pick up the camera, but this is what it is. So see you tomorrow.
And we made it back to IKEA. We made a list and we are clear on what we need, so we came back to get the stuff done, and we have to be quick because Timo doesn't love IKEA that much. And talking about Timo, yes, you saw correctly, he's quitting coffee, lasted for 3 days this time. Good on him though. Good on you, baby. Anyway, I maybe have pushed him a little to get a coffee because I could feel him going down, and this way I can get all of his energy to come to IKEA with me. Anyway, let's get shopping and we'll see you guys at home.
And surprisingly, I don't know how we did it, we are back home. Yeah, basically we just took the tram and we walked. So we have this box with a lamp, an ironer. We want to do a shelf with the sports. We got them from IKEA, I think, for $10. And they are like 2 meters long, pretty solid.
I have
Iron
a vision.
board.
I have a vision.
Yeah.
I have a vision and I'm gonna make it happen.
And also this IKEA bag and the trash that is already under the sink here. We also bought this one, essential to have a little trash. And funny enough, when we were buying the trash, we were like, oh, is that enough? I think it has 12 liters or no more, I think. I'm not sure.
That one was 12, yeah.
12 liters, and we were like, it's pretty small for trash. And then we were like, but in the van we just had half of it. So we compare everything to van life, and then everything is an upgrade in here. And also we want to remove this fridge door here. So there's this cabinet, and this door has to be opened in order to access the fridge, which is a bit annoying, especially if we want to have maybe like a little kitchen aisle or something here. So I guess we're gonna unscrew this door here from the hinge. And then we probably, because we have a basement and we have quite some space there, like a little cage, looks like a cage. And I think we're gonna put this door in there so we have a bit more space and we don't have to open 2 doors to access the fridge. So this is what we're gonna do now. And also we didn't have breakfast yet, so probably we're gonna have something. So let's get busy.
At the beginning I refused to get a little step. The pride in me was like, no. But I'm gonna tell you something. The stuff is pretty high here and I'm 160, so I need this one.
And now I need it too, because we have to unscrew this thing here.
I was away from you, baby.
If you have learned something from this video right now, always cut away from don't do it like I did.
Beautiful.
Luckily nothing happened.
1, 2, 3. She's off camera.
I spend most of my time viewing what I want from the outside. I comb it over like it's the scene of a crime. The only guilty I find.
Are you okay? Well, I need. This time we need one more. This door's heavy. This door's much heavier than it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, are you okay? Oh no. Door's out. So, this is how it looks now. Monito is already assembling more things. Good job. So now we can just open the fridge. It's much easier. We don't have to use the other door. It's very empty at the moment, but take care of that later. And yeah, we're not sure. If we need more storage, maybe put a shelf here over the fridge. So we have like 2 shelf levels. But yeah, I actually don't even think that we're going to use all the space up there because it's a lot. What did you get here?
A little pedestal for my jars.
So we have 2 rows of jars.
Yeah, otherwise you can't really see what's in the back and then you end up not using them. So this way you see everything, you use everything. And just have to screw them on the side and that's it. I like to assemble things. Makes me feel crafty. Bon appetit!
Thank you. Today breakfast on the ground. Good morning guys, we lost you yesterday. Some more house stuff. We went over to a friend's house, we had dinner together and now it's time to refill our jars that Sandra got online, secondhand or via Facebook Marketplace. So they're open any minute. We fill those puppies up and I think soon we have to wrap up the vlog because it's getting out of hand. It's already very long, I reckon. So let's wait, go in and say goodbye. We are back, the jars are filled, the pantry is gonna be filled soon. And as you can see, we have priority, we have no furniture yet, but our pantry is full with goodies to eat, so that's good. We had a lovely chat with Samantha from, what is the store called?
This bag sauce.
The Bug Sauce. Amazing place, all in bulk, delicious stuff. We couldn't really film because we were so into the conversation, but next time we're gonna take you with us biking up. And I think this is also a great opportunity to tell you that Monito spilled a lot of cacao powder on the counter.
It's all over my hand.
Oh! Your hands are dirty, mate. So this is what happened before we arrived here. We had to move everything back and forth and now we're actually sitting on a couch which we haven't filmed yet. It's gonna be probably in the next video where we show you from empty to furnished apartment, or the video after, we'll see. But that is it. We are here and we are happy.
If you made it all the way to the end of this video, we want to thank you and ask you, if you haven't already, to subscribe and like our video. It would really support our channel and we are looking forward to seeing you in our next video.